G'day legends, today we're taking you deep into the Amazon to witness the craziest waterfall I've ever seen, Iguazu Falls. This place is pure magic, like something straight out of a movie. We first trekked to the top to witness the sheer power of Iguazu Falls from above. The sight was mesmerizing, but I knew I had to get closer. A quick chat with the local lemurs before descending to the riverbank where we saw caimans lining the shores of the river we were about to go on. The raw power of the water is absolutely insane. Imagine zooming up the river in a speedboat, getting soaked beneath this monstrous cascade, surrounded by double rainbows and jungle vibes, throwing up the shuckers. No place on earth compares to it. You've got to experience this one for yourself. Absolutely unreal. Let's go. Are you kidding me? Double rainbows at the bottom of the waterfall just to top it off with blue skies. What an incredible day on the water and what an incredible place. Iguazu Falls is definitely one of those ones you want on your bucket list. This place is unreal and this is one of the best tours I've been on.